Today I will share how to make this typography effect without using Typecraft app in Canva. So let's start with it. So I have chosen this YouTube thumbnail as my canvas. So I'll be using this banana image and the keyword is yellow banana on white background. You can use any type of image you want. In fact, you can find many such images for free in any third-party apps. So I am using this one. Okay, now bring it in the canvas, and after that just go to text. So I told you previously that I don't want to use the Typecraft app. So let me show you the disadvantage here of using Typecraft app first, so that you can understand why I am not using it. So this is the Typecraft app. Okay, now if I just open it and here I write banana, and I will be using the same font here also and in the main part also. So I am using Anton. Okay, so and for this I have to use this one. By default I have to use this one to maintain the same shape, this curve shape. If you want to maintain, you have to use this one, this warp effect. So now if we click on add to design, as you can see, we have to just resize it every now and then we have to work like we have to go in edit shape and this we have to resize. And the main problem is that the banana image is not showing here, so it gets very hard here to update the element continuously and it will take a lot of time. So to save the time, okay, I will delete it. I will not use it. I will show the easiest way. I will go to text here, click on add a heading, and as I said, I will be using the Anton font here. Click on Anton. Okay, and click on Anton here. Okay, and now here I will write banana. Okay, so it is coming here, so we can use this banana as a reference and we can design it. So now I will just increase the size to, let's say, 175. Okay, now I will go to effects here and scroll down to find curve. This is free to use and anyone with Canva free or Canva Pro can easily use it. Okay, so now I will change the curve one to plus 100 to minus 100. Okay, like this, and now I will just rotate it and check which one suits us. So let's try this one. Okay, so let's make it slightly bigger and now rotate it. And slightly make it bigger. So minus 14 looks good, and I will just bring it here as it touches every point here. And now let's make it bigger, and we have to make sure that the edges of banana text part goes beyond the main image. So as you can see, if we zoom in, this part is not matching, so we need to match it here. So now it is matching and this part is also matching. Okay, so when this is done, now click on Ctrl plus X to cut the image of the text layer and click on add image, and now we will add it in the second page. Now we have to download both the pages, but you have to make sure that you use this image, the same image. For this, as we have used this site, so we have to maintain it and download the same. So for this I will go to share here, and after that click on download and make sure it is PNG and download the files individually. So first I will download the page 1, click on download, and here it is downloading. So it is completed. Now I will download the second part or the second page. Okay, now when the downloading is complete, click on add page, and here I will just re-upload both the images. Now in this Google Chrome, here the icon is here, so it gets very easier to just drag and drop in the element part or this canvas part. Now the main work comes, which is going to apps. Now I will remove this Typecraft and here I will write blend. Okay, now click on blend image. So for the bottom layer, I will use this banana layer. Click on use selected image and make sure the blend mode is in screen. Now for the top layer, I will use this text layer. Okay, so it has taken the shape, as you can see. Click on add page, click on add to design. Okay, and here the design is here. Okay, so make sure you are covering the page according to the same size of the canvas, and as it comes with a white color background, remove it by clicking on BG remover. Okay, now as it is removed, now I will bring this image, place Ctrl+C to copy it and paste it here and make it to the same size as the canvas. Okay, now I will just crop it till here, till it is touching the A part. Okay, and after that duplicate it, make it to the same size as the canvas, and now let's cover it till it is touching the B part. Okay, now the next job comes to reveal the text. Now it is not showing as it is showing just the ANA part, so we have to reveal this. Now we will click on this layer and click on layers, click on show layers and make sure the text is in the above. Okay, and remove the white background from this part also. Okay, now I will click on R to bring a square in here and make sure to change the color of this square to the same color of the background, which is white color for this one, and rotate it and bring it here. Now go to layers and bring it just above this layer and just cover it. So this part is revealed. Now follow the same for this part also. Okay, just bring it above this one. Okay, so now we have to rotate it and check which one looks good. So it will look good till here. So the banana is showing. Now cover it till here so that the N is also revealed. Okay, so the text is showing here. So I hope you have learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.